afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm out again. It was raining most of the day, but not too bad now. A little bit of a breeze. Sun's out. Not too cold. But, you know, I've been doing so much work around the house and everything, getting things organized. Everything's tore apart. So I thought, I'd bet I'm going to step out and do some photography. So I threw some Fantome 8, Lomography Fantome 8, in the Voigtlander Vitomatic tube. It's so I figured, you know, German film, German camera, it goes down pretty much to 8. It goes down to 12 and then a notch after that. So I'm calling it 8. The mural you're seeing behind me is part of a 3 mural series of our valley here, and actually the one that is right behind me, I grew up a mile away from there. And so in the Carrot Valley out in RM of Kelsey. So anyways, I have lots of trouble with this film. I'm gonna try something different with the developing with the DDX. I think the DDX might be a little too powerful or something. So I'm gonna drop it back to 6 or 7 minutes and see what happens there. So I got the film, paid for the film. I'm gonna try to make it work. Took a whole bunch of different photos, some portraits. Like, subscribe, click the bell. See you guys later. I'm supposed to be doing something else. See you guys later, take care.